This Bitcoin chart, guys, will surprise you. I want you to pay very good attention to what Bitcoin is doing, because this next breakout will actually determine the next phase of Bitcoin. All right, guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and pay very good attention as we dive into the chart. You see, for these past few months, okay, Bitcoin has just been going sideways. You can see sideways. All right, so ability for you to enter the market and exit within this range, guys, shows that you actually know how to trade. But anyway, this sideways movement is not for amateur guys, okay? It's for traders who understand the market structure, who knows how to take advantage of the market. Now, in the short term, like this is 4 hours, you can see that Bitcoin has established a trend here, okay? 1, 2, 3. This is a trend established, and now another scenario shows that this trend also has been broken. All right, so now there is a question mark if this trend has been broken, showing that this is just a three-wave move up. So what will be the next phase? Okay, so in this scenario now, we've seen this sharp sell-off, this one. So they are just in between of the whole move, so kind of undecided. So there's a question mark on what Bitcoin is doing here. But now, if you want to take a long view of Bitcoin, like if you come to daily and see what actually the market is doing. Now, seeing that for the past few days or few months, ever since Bitcoin broke this, we've seen 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now 4. So now the question is that, is this 5-wave completed? Okay, or are we still going to get at least one more down here or so? But now, if you understand moving averages very well, you see that whenever there is this 200 moving average or 50 moving average crossing 200 moving average on this side, you find that this is a death cross. So there is a tendency that there might be a bigger sell-off coming, okay, but it's not confirmed yet. So in a daily structure, okay, Bitcoin is still on downtrend, okay, it's still on downtrend, but that doesn't mean that there will not be a spike coming, okay? So, but if you come to 1 hour, if you come to 1 hour structure, the 1 hour structure shows that this chart, the Bitcoin chart, is just trending on, forming a pattern. And at the break of this pattern, guys, it's going to become something crazy. So I discovered this channel, this pattern, kind of a triangular pattern that is forming now. So you need to pay very good attention to this pattern, because at the break of this pattern, Bitcoin will decide the phase is in which you want to go. Now, this pattern is a kind of a symmetrical, but looking at from where it's forming from, okay, you can see this is an impulse, and you can see it's just going in between. So at the break of this pattern, guys, at the break of this pattern, expect a very massive bull or a very massive sell-off, okay? So it's kind of undecided currently, so but you need to position yourself at the break of this triangular pattern. So far we've seen A, B, C, we're expecting D, E, okay? We're expecting something like this, come down here, then either it breaks here and drop or stuff like that, okay? And you can see something that also equate that this triangular pattern, if we check our RSI on the daily, you can see the same thing forming, guys. At the break of this also will also determine the break of this. So, but before that one breaks, we also want this one to see this one actually break either on the positive side or on the negative side. So at this scenario, guys, anything is possible, okay? Anything is possible. Looking at this, looking at the way the market is moving, this market can decide to test like this, or it can decide to move like this. So watch out at the break of this and kind of position yourself, and that is the move that actually will make you the best amount of money. All right, so if you take a look on Ethereum too, Ethereum also has been doing something that we expect, okay? Remember what I told you guys before now, that we're expecting Ethereum to get to this level, okay? Obviously, it's doing the same thing. You can see it has been trending. So, but now there might be a midway correction. There might be a correction before the next push up. Okay, so expect that, but we're still very much bullish that Ethereum will get to 28,000 range. before the next major pullback. All right, if you are trading Bitcoin at this pattern formation, use a very tight stop loss, because at the break of it there might be a very negative sell-off. Okay, but as the market keep developing, guys, we'll keep you updated. All right, so let's wait for the market to finish this pattern that is developing, especially on the 1 hour. And once this is completed, guys, then we'll be glad to take the next phase. All right, so but now, what of if this is not a triangle? Okay, well, we need to prove us wrong by actually breaking this or breaking this. Okay, if it's not a triangle, let it break it and let it break it. So putting your position here or putting your position here will be on the safest place for you to enter this market, and depends on the side in which the market is going. All right, guys, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And also, if you want to take advantage of this trade, if you want to make so much money trading these breakouts, then you need to sign up using the link below, either the Binance link or the Bybit link. You'll be able to make money even at the market is going down, or make money at the market is going up. All right, so use the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.